It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday. Check it out. I got the witch hat on, which means we have another Halloween video. I think this is my fourth Halloween haul because I think I did like 3 or 4 online and then I did an online haul. I have literally got Halloween stuff all over my house. If you didn't see yesterday's video, check it out. I got this. We're gonna talk about this piece. I actually thought it was different. I thought it was a little bit more like the Raven from last year. This is actually just solid, but it's not a water globe, but it's a little less expensive. So I actually got this box yesterday morning, I think, and I haven't even opened it. Look, the tape is still on. So we're gonna dig into this box together. I think the really big news is the fall from Bath and Body Works right now. The leaves. Oh my goodness, you guys. I mean, I'm loving all the Halloween stuff. I gotta say, Halloween is making me really happy. I have something in a box. But let me tell you, the leaves is absolutely amazing. So I feel like we are gonna do a really nice slow down. I need my scissors, you guys. I can't reach them. I've got this little cup here. Like, I can't reach my scissors. I got them. And we are literally going to go through all of this product because one of the things a lot of people are saying, and I totally agree, is that Bath and Body Works released so much product. It's really hard to figure out, like, what's out there. Seriously, I actually picked up the Vampire Blood shower gel yesterday in the store, but I think I got more. There's a lot of stuff, and we're gonna literally, like, break down each set, fall, Halloween. We're gonna have a better handle on what's out there, because this is absolutely crazy. Oh! You know what? They didn't ship everything, because I ordered, the water globe. Remember the water globe with the hand? I didn't get that yet, but look what I got. I got the chalice. I gotta say, this is giving off serious, like, amazing medieval vibes here. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I love this. I feel like these are pretty sturdy, the little dripping blood things here, but this is gorgeous. Okay, I'm so glad I have that now. And then, oh, one of my candles is in here. This is such a weird mishmash. I mean, I feel like everything is coming in pieces. Seriously, check your orders, you guys. Oh, this is Vampire Blood. Check it out. Oh, this is perfect. Look at this. This is beautiful. This really goes nicely. I gotta smell this. Oh yeah, Vampire Blood. Beautiful. Just to let everyone know, I do Halloween like well into October. I mean, I know I usually switch over to Christmas at some point, but we're going to be talking about Halloween during Halloween too. So this is just like the beginning of the season. So what else is in here? I got, Moonlit Graveyard. I got doubles on these. I'm so glad. And then I got more soap. And then some of my body care is in here. So this is good. This is not all my body care though, because check it out. I got Midnight Spell in the lotion, but I didn't get in Everlasting Magic and Vampire Blood. So where's my shower gel too? Honestly, like, I feel like everything, luckily I bought a shower gel yesterday, I feel like everything is coming in pieces, which is a little bit weird. This is the Everlasting Magic Shimmer Fizz Body Lotion. This is the stuff, you kind of got to shake it a little bit, and then, it comes out really fast, and then it's very cold, and it's kind of crackly, and then it goes on kind of as a shimmer. Oh my gosh, I gotta say, Everlasting Magic is fabulous. This is the one that's the Bejeweled Berries, Phantom Petals, and Magic Musk. I love this one so much. So, got that, and then, I got the Vampire Blood. There is a Magic Potion one too somewhere. Let me do a little bit of this. This one didn't come out as extreme. Yeah, see, it makes that cool noise. Oh, I smell good. I smell so good. So this is wonderful. So what I need to do is I need to put like all my body care and soap and everything like in one box and get totally organized. We're going to get rid of that. Oh, look. Oh, I thought this was I thought this was Shimmerfish. I'm like, no, it's a little piece of styrofoam. So again, I really feel like everything is very disorganized. Apparently online, if you go to, this is confusing, if you go to the fall shop, the new fall products are not showing up. You actually have to go to like body care. We could go to moisturizers, all moisturizers. And then if you sort by new, the fall will then show up, which is really confusing. I almost think they're trying to keep fall like on the backside until all of it actually like, you know, starts to roll into the stores. I don't know what they're doing. Honestly, it's a really weird anomaly. I did get, like I said, the leaves. I actually tried the cream a little bit yesterday. I got to do a full first impression on this. I think a lot of people are going to be loving this leaves. I feel like it's a little early in the season for leaves. So look at the color on this too. You know, it's July 25th. Which is kind of glad I did that pineapple video with Lenny yesterday because I'm like, we did a summer thing. So I am going to try and get back to doing a couple more summer things. I want to talk about, you know, some beachy scents. I want to talk about, you know, what is good for August? What scents, you know, would you want to wear, you know, in early August into, you know, the kind of dog days of summer thing. I wish Bonfire Bash would come back because that's like a perfect August scent. I'm not sure what's going on with that. If we're getting it back, I'm surprised we didn't get it back for early fall because that's like an amazing one. I am really happy we got, oh yeah, Black Cherry Merlot back. Look at how pretty this is, by the way. This is gorgeous. Black Cherry Merlot is wonderful. A lot of people are going to be excited about this one. So I feel like I'm in a complete state of disorganization right now, as probably all of you are, because we're all getting our Halloween orders, and everything is just like kind of mishmashed. Let me see what's going on today as far as sales. So we've still got the buy three, get three, which ends today. So if you want to get some of that fall and Halloween body care, you might want to, you know, check that out. I'm hoping at some point, you could wait it out because they're probably going to have like a $5.95 sale at some point, which a lot of people are going to be wanting to grab all this stuff up. So I just wanted to get everything so that I can review it. I'm going to be doing a lot of photos. We're going to be doing rankings. I'm going to be doing a giant Halloween video at some point with all like 100 items I have. I don't even have all of Halloween yet. So it's going to definitely be a marathon. This is really cool, by the way. Look at the black top on the vampire blood. That's gorgeous. Anyway, lots happening. I will be on later with more videos. I got to get organized. You don't even want to see my desk from this angle. Greg is horrified. Greg is absolutely horrified. He wants to call Alice in. Seriously, I need her. Anyway. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Tuesday. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.